Welcome! Today I'm going to teach you an advanced lady styling combo that will help you take your bachata to the next level and stand out on the dance floor. So when you're ready, let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start with our feet together. First we'll focus on the feet movement and then we'll add the arms. This is what the first 8 count looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. Let me break this down. We're going to start with the basic step variation. On 1 we'll step with our right forward, on 2 with our left together, on 3 with our right to the back, and on 4 we step with our left together. Then on 5, we're going to step with our left forward and start turning to our left. On 6, step with our right together and turn. And then on 7, we're going to step with our left diagonally forward. On 8, step with our right toes in the back. On 8, step with our right to the back. And on 8, step with our left heel in front. Let's go one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. Let's go a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. Now let's add the arms. We're going to start with our arms in front of our body and we'll move them away from each other. So our left arm is up and the right arm is down. And we are moving them away from each other, like this, on 1, 2. And if I mirror you, it looks like this. So your left arm is going under your chin, palm is facing down, and your right arm is going out to the side. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And then on 3, 4, we'll bring our left elbow to the right. Make sure your palm is touching your body or your head as you are bringing your elbow to the other side. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here on 5, we're going to slide our left arm to the side, so to the left, and on 6, down towards the hip. On 7, we'll bring both of our arms down and up. 7. And make sure your palms are facing up. Then on 8, we'll make a half circle with our hands to the back, so we are following our pinkies. Then on 8, we'll make another half circle forward. And then on 8, we'll bring both of our arms back down. Let's go from the top. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. One more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. And now let's put it together with the feet movement. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. And one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Now let's move on. We'll add another 8 count before we go with music. From here we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, let's start with the feet. So we finished here. Now on 1, we're going to shift our body weight on our left and start sliding our right foot towards the left. Okay? Make sure your toes are pointing slightly to the side so it's easier for you to keep your balance here. 1, 2, then on 3, we'll step with our right together and start shifting our body weight on our right on 3, 4. Okay, one more time, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll do basic step to our left on 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's add the arms. So we finished here. On 1, 2, we'll just place our hands on our hips or thighs and bring them up slightly. 1, 2. Then on 3, 4, we'll keep bringing our left arm up, okay? 3, 4, behind our head or neck. 3, 4. And then on 5, 6, 7, 8, again, we'll bring our left elbow to the other side and we'll also make a head roll. 5, 6, 7, 8. So slight change here. We are here, so on 5, 6, we're going to bring our left elbow to the right. 5, 6, and then slide it across body down towards the hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we'll also do a head roll. So we're going to tilt our head slightly to the left and then start making a head roll to the back. So we're bringing our head to the back, to the right, and back to the center. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's put it together with the rest. So let's go from here slowly. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you want, you can keep your head in this position. So you could go 5, 6, 7, 8. And then on 1, when we step with our right to the side, it will be another step that we will do. You can bring your head back to the center and it will probably look a little bit better like this. Let's go one more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done, ladies. Now let's move on. We're going to add another 8 count that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Again, let's start with the feet movement. So on 1, we're going to step with our right to the side. On 2, with our left to the back. On 3, with our right to the back. And on 4, we tap with our left together. So a box step variation. From here on 5, we're going to step with our left to the side. On 6, with our right diagonally forward, so we are crossing our left. And then from here on 7, step with our left together. On end, with our right diagonally to the back. On 8, with our left together. And on end, step with our right diagonally forward again. Okay, so let's go slowly. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. One more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. One more time, a little bit faster. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. And one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Now let's add the arms. Our left hand will stay on our left thigh or our hip, whatever you prefer. And we're going to move only our right arm. So we'll bring it out to the side and then forward and back down. So to the side, then we're going to rotate our hand forward. So now the wrist is leading the movement. Forward, then we're going to rotate our hand again so that our wrist is now pointing upwards, and we're going to bend the elbow and bring our arm down towards our body, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more time, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's put it together with the first 4 counts. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And from here, we'll just move our arms in front of us on 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. All right, so let's go one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Now from here, on 1, we're going to step with our left to the side and start sliding our right foot on the floor. And you can look to your right on 2, 3, 4. And then on 5, we'll step with our right to the side. On 6, we tap with our left together. And on 7, step with our left to the side. And on 8, we tap with our right together. And that's all. Okay, so again, let's go from here, starting with the slide. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we go from the top again. Let's go one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you want, you can step with your left on 7 diagonally forward. Then on 8, you tap with your right together, and you will be ready to start from the top. Okay, let's go one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we go again. So now let's put it together with the rest, starting with the Bachata variation. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job, ladies. And now let's put it together with the first 2 8 counts. So let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. And last time, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you very much for dancing with me. If you want to see more content like this, please hit subscribe to my YouTube channel. In the meantime, you can watch this video and learn a Bachata Shine dance routine, and you can find all of my Bachata lady styling tutorials in this playlist.